Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Bad Dad from Hodl Hogs. I just want to go over what is going on in the markets today, and we are seeing a sudden rise in the markets all across from BTC and all different altcoins. So there's several reasons that's going on. You had ultimately a reversal, a big indicator of reversal that happened here. You can look at my videos that I have listed in the past week, and you can see why I think that what we hit was a reversal. And then second, you can see that today the CPI, which is the Consumer Price Index for inflation, hit, and it is now at 7%. Fox News posted it as it being the highest rate in the past 40 years. That chirping noise that you see or you hear in the background is my bird, and I don't know why he likes to do this. Every time I'm speaking, he gets involved, and it really pisses me off. But anyways, highest in 7 years or in 40 years, 7%, and that number is very likely to be much higher than what is being printed out here on this post and what they're actually telling us, right? So one thing to look out for also is tomorrow the PPI, the Producer Price Index, is going to come out, and I wonder what that number is going to be. Finding that it's coming out after the CPI, so with inflation going up, everyone has been involved in Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. So there's somewhat of a kind of like a, as soon as I see inflation continue to rise deep down inside of me, which I shouldn't be, I'm happy to see that the my investments are taking off. But I know that other people are hurting because of it. So there is a little bit of a twisted sense of I guess guilt and pleasure that's involved here. But anyways, big things that I'm looking at this week is Kin and XRP. XRP is supposed to be coming out with some kind of board meeting of some sort next week with the SEC. But Kin, I've been sitting here watching this thing. Just this price of this token has just been continuing to fall back since it was listed from KuCoin and after making local all-time highs. And here it is. It's starting to take off, and the first part of it breaking structure is about to occur here. So as long as this continues to move up the market, especially with Bitcoin, we will see this price continue to take off. And as soon as long as it keeps breaking structure, like you're seeing here, all throughout right this, that's just rocket fuel to the rocket that's taking off. So I'm very excited. I'm pumped, very stoked. Some of the things that are pumping off to the right side is Crow. We talked about it this week. I think it was in one of my altcoin videos. Maybe I'll post it up here in the card. Looking over here, you can also see Cadena's taken off. Just overall, the general market is just very healthy today. I mean, it looks very good. So if you've all been buying up this bottom, good on you. We've been talking about it. Just do know that just because, this is all just a probability sense, what I say isn't necessarily a prediction. It is just me basing my investments off of probability and what are the chances. One thing I probably should have pulled up also is the fear and greed index. I'm sure that's going to show some kind of outlook on how the sentiment of the market is. And today, or as of yesterday, when it was listed, it was at 22. So you had a little bit of an increase by 1. Overall, the market is in extreme fear, and that is exactly the time that you should probably or you should be buying, into the market, is when the market has been in extreme fear for a duration of time. It's been about a whole month now. So I'm really excited. I think you all should be excited as well. Just know that this is not financial advice. It's all entertainment purposes only, and that you do need to take into consideration your own risk management. Now, over leveraging or putting in a leverage trade, there is always that risk of getting margin called. And if you were to put one in, I would definitely have a stop loss set right here, because we should not be making any newer lows, especially on the Bitcoin chart. If that Bitcoin chart breaks down beneath this low here, we're going to be looking at another low, probably somewhere on that level right there, and that actually happens to be the 786 retrace. You can look at my videos. I've talked about it. I only have like 8 videos, 4 videos, something like that. So if you like my content, please hit subscribe. It's a little different information than what you typically get on the internet. The overall general theme is, it's crypto updates, but I use different techniques. I rely mainly on these Elliott chart structures within the RSI. And then I look at a lot of FIBs. So I do take a lot of other people's information and take it into consideration, but you know what? Everyone's wrong. So I'm just looking for a strategy that best works for me. And if you find my strategy works for you, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe. All right, y'all take care.